Welcome inside a modern solar panel factory, where advanced engineering transforms raw silicon into clean energy technology powering millions of homes. The journey begins with ultra-pure silicon, the essential material used to create highly efficient solar cells. The silicon is purified to an extremely high level, removing microscopic impurities that could reduce solar cell performance. Inside high-temperature furnaces, purified silicon melts into a glowing liquid, ready for crystal formation. A tiny seed crystal is slowly pulled upward, forming a single crystal silicon ingot with exceptional purity and structure. The newly formed crystal is cooled gradually to prevent internal stress and preserve its perfect structure. Advanced inspection systems examine every ingot to ensure it meets strict manufacturing standards. Diamond wire saws slice the crystal into extremely thin wafers with remarkable speed and precision. Each wafer is carefully cleaned to remove microscopic particles left behind during the cutting process. The wafer surface is textured. This reduces light reflection to capture more sunlight for higher efficiency. Chemical etching removes microscopic surface damage, preparing the wafers for advanced solar cell processing. After cleaning, the wafers are carefully dried in a controlled environment to prevent contamination. High-speed optical scanners inspect every wafer for tiny imperfections that could affect electrical performance. The inspected wafers are automatically sorted, ensuring only the highest quality pieces continue to solar cell production. With preparation complete, the silicon wafers move to the next stage, where they will be transformed into high-efficiency solar cells. The silicon wafers enter a diffusion furnace, where phosphorus atoms create the electrical properties needed to generate solar power. Laser systems isolate the wafer edges, preventing electrical short circuits and improving overall efficiency. A special anti-reflective coating helps each solar cell absorb more sunlight while reducing energy loss. Silver conductive lines are printed onto the cell. This allows electricity to flow efficiently from captured sunlight. An aluminum layer is added to the back of each cell. This improves electrical performance and structural stability. The printed contacts are permanently bonded to the silicon. This is achieved using carefully controlled high-temperature firing. Every solar cell is electrically tested to verify its performance before moving to assembly. Under simulated sunlight, each cell is measured. This determines efficiency. It converts light into electricity. Cells with similar performance are grouped together to ensure every finished panel delivers balanced power output. Advanced cameras inspect every cell for microscopic defects. These could reduce long-term reliability. The approved cells are aligned into precise rows that will later form the heart of each solar panel. Thin copper ribbons electrically connect each cell, allowing energy to flow efficiently throughout the panel. The connected cells form a complete matrix, creating the electrical foundation of the finished solar panel. Each connected string is inspected to confirm perfect alignment and reliable electrical connections. With the solar cells fully prepared, they move to the assembly line, where complete solar panels begin to take shape. The assembly process begins with ultra-clear tempered glass that protects the solar cells while allowing maximum sunlight to pass through. This ensures peak efficiency.
A transparent EVA layer is placed over the glass to securely bond and protect the delicate solar cells.
The interconnected solar cells are carefully positioned to ensure perfect alignment and maximum electrical performance. A weather-resistant backsheet seals the rear of the panel. It protects the cells from moisture and environmental damage. Inside the laminator, heat and vacuum permanently bond all layers. This creates one durable, weather-resistant solar panel. The laminated panels cool gradually, allowing the protective layers to stabilize and maintain long-term durability. A lightweight aluminum frame strengthens the panel and makes installation easier in the field. The junction box is installed to safely collect and transfer the electricity generated by the solar cells. A weatherproof seal protects the panel from moisture, dust, and harsh outdoor conditions. Electroluminescence imaging detects hidden cracks. They are invisible to the naked eye. This ensures every panel meets strict quality standards. Each panel is tested under simulated sunlight to verify its electrical output and overall performance. Measured performance is carefully compared with factory specifications to guarantee consistent energy production. Every panel receives a final visual inspection to confirm flawless assembly and premium manufacturing quality.
The completed panels are cleaned, labeled, and assigned. Unique serial numbers for full traceability.
Here, precision meets scale. Every panel is automatically transferred, powering the next generation. Each solar panel is carefully protected with reinforced packaging to prevent damage during transportation. Robotic palletizing ensures every shipment is stacked securely for safe and efficient transport. Stretch wrapping keeps every pallet stable, protecting the solar panels from dust, moisture, and movement. Finished solar panels are stored in climate-controlled warehouses until customer orders are ready to ship. The packaged panels are carefully loaded into shipping containers for safe delivery across the world. A global logistics network delivers these solar panels to homes, businesses, and solar farms worldwide. After their journey, the panels arrive at solar farms, where installation begins. Each panel is securely mounted and aligned to capture the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. The panels are connected together through durable electrical cables. They safely carry the generated energy. As sunlight reaches the cells, the system immediately begins generating clean electricity for the grid. Solar energy helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels while providing reliable, renewable electricity.
Every finished panel combines advanced materials, precision manufacturing, and rigorous testing for long-term performance.
Modern automation and precision engineering make large-scale solar panel production both efficient and consistent. From purified silicon to clean electricity, every manufacturing step contributes to a durable and efficient solar panel. From raw silicon to renewable energy, solar panel manufacturing Join us again to discuss remarkable products are made.